the last video we have uploaded the file. And that is successfully uploaded. And in this video we are going to see how we can able to create the users. So in the projects we have created the test project. In the test project we have uploaded a sample file. Once you click on this sample file, uh, in this sample file we can able to modify this sample file by downloading the original file and then make modifications on that, and we can able to upload that with the new version number. But here if we want to access this sample file, we need to create the app users. So for that I'm going to create the app user here, create app user, and I'm giving a name as Vinay, and then clicking on create option. What it will do, it will generate this QR code, and we need to save this QR code somewhere. So I'm going to store this QR code in the downloads folder so that I can able to access this one. So once I store this one, I can able to click on done. Then the user has been created. So for this user we need to give the access. So for that, here it is showing that here in this columns we will be able to see all the app users which we have created in this project. And also here in this column we will be see how many forms we have uploaded, that can be seen here. And also we can able to manage the state. So as of now the state of this form is open, and if I want to give this forms access to this particular user, I can able to do that, and I can able to check this box and then click on save, so that this Vinay user will be having the access to this form and this project. So how we can able to get the access in the mobile application, we will be seeing in the next video. Thank you.